Hey guys, this is Mandra and welcome to another tutorial on bWAPP application penetration testing series. And in this video, we're going to take a look at another SQL injection vulnerability exercise from bWAPP. So in this, we're going to take a look at post search. So let's search the movie. Let's go for Iron as usual way. So Iron movie, Iron Man. So till now we have looked at these URLs where the parameters are passed, and we edited those parameters to take advantage and exploit them. So but now this is not happening. So and we will be using same SQL command. So I'm going to tamper the data. So let's search tamper, and this is the Iron, same as the old command, which is let me copy this. So these are got, so here is the vulnerability, and let's pass this again. So tamper, but right now, so at the places of 4, let's give latest version. At the place of 5, what should I give? User. Let's try this. So that's how you will exploit the vulnerability of SQL injection, and that's all I have for this video, guys. And for more bWAPP application penetration testing videos, don't forget to subscribe. And this is Manindra Simhadri signing off.